Morning, hi, it's Kevin Waters here, the Nudge Coach. I hope you're well. I've just been thinking about success. The times that I've been successful in my life or have been at my most happiest in business or personally is when I felt I was part of something bigger than myself. When I had a vision, really. When I was growing my own business many years ago, I managed to grow the business not just through, I suppose, hard work and endeavour and opportunity meeting with experience in the form of luck. I certainly have had my fill of luck. But I think I've been at my luckiest when I've been working my hardest. I've been working my hardest when I've had a vision. And that vision has been all encompassing, and I've truly believed in myself and what I'm doing to such an extent that I was able to convince clients to work with me, even though I was new to that particular industry. And I was able to encourage some fantastic people to come and join my company and help become part of that vision and change that vision and move it forward. So it's just a little thought for you if you're feeling a little bit stuck in the mud, losing your mojo. Maybe it's time you thought about, took some time out and thought about your vision. What's your vision for your future, for your company, for yourself? Where do you want to be in a few months' time, 6 months' time, 6 years' time? And sometimes we need to just stop and think about that. Anyway, I'm wishing you hope and good luck, and I hope you have a lucky day.